Christina Maurice, it was a tough day, especially here in New Jersey, but happy to report that conditions have improved. In fact, in the last few minutes, the sun has peeked out. It is flurrying a little bit. Still, Governor Christie, is asking folks to still stay off the roads tonight if they can. The plows had their work cut out for them, especially in northern New Jersey.
The main roads look like they're getting plowed pretty often, but the side roads getting here are pretty full of snow.
The snow came down heavy at times and icy in the biting wind.
It's sleeting now in the freezing rain, so that's just making things much worse.
But overall, the storm was not as bad as originally thought. Still, Governor Christie says they wanted to be prepared for the worst.
I want the storm to be completely out of here before we lift the state of emergency.
This was the scene in Rockaway in Morris County. Some braving the bone-chilling temperatures at Hibernia Diner in short sleeves.
It's actually, the roads are pretty bad right now. We've got a four-wheel vehicle, and it's really tough out there.
His cousin from Florida was the one more appropriately dressed.
I was surprised for a blizzard.
The storm kept New Jersey State Police busy, responding to hundreds of stuck cars and accidents. Earlier this morning, parts of Route 80 were especially treacherous.
I guess the wind has really made a mess of things and blown whatever snow they pushed off back on the road.
Governor Christie says they should be ready for regular rush hour traffic on the roads tomorrow. He says as for today, there were no significant issues reported, but there were about 30,000 customers without power. He says it should be restored to all of them by tomorrow, the end of the day tomorrow. Reporting live in Somerville, Andrea Grymes, CBS 2 News.